I'll show you in the quick and easy way how you can make a PDF file on your laptop and or your PC. Now, the way we're going to do this is we're going to use a program that you probably all already have, which is Microsoft Word, right? So let's just open up Microsoft Word first off from the text bar here. So just search up Microsoft Word, right? Just search up Word like this, click on Word. Now on Word, it depends on what kind of PDF you want to make, right? But we'll just start from scratch. Now, for example, if we want to make a PDF, for example, with the very basic, which is just a text. So I'm just going to click on a text. I'm going to make this big just so it's a lot more seeable. And other than a text, I'm going to add in a image, right? So I'm just going to click on insert. I'm going to click on picture. I'm going to type in stock images here. So for example, I'm going to add in this picture of a grass here. So person touching a grass. Now, this is all you need, right? Now, this is what the basics is, right? You just arrange things on Word, type whatever you want, add in whatever image you want. And the way that we can make this into a PDF file, we just have to click on Go on File. Now, on File, you want to go on to Save As. On Save As, you want to go to your PC or just whatever place you keep your PDF. I'm going to click on Sample PDF. And instead of a text.docs, on docs, it's basically means it's going to be a Word document, right? Instead of that, you want to go to the drop-down menu here, and you want to make sure you pick on PDF, right? So just click on Save. And then after that, you have a PDF file made right here on your PC and or laptop. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.